Okay, we got a major thunderstorm up ahead here. You can see visibility is like zero. I exaggerate. It was bad a minute ago. Now it's getting better. Havasu Springs by the Parker Dam. Man, look at the water coming up. Lots of water on the roadway. Look at how slow people are going. It is crazy. I felt hydroplaning, and my tires are good. Man, people are going really slow. Look at this. This is what I was looking for, and I found it. Oh, I wonder about landslides. Is there mud? Oh, there's flash flood mud right here. Check this out. Okay. Woohoo! Yeah! We found it. Look at this. It doesn't take much. It doesn't take much for these roads to flood. Wow, I had no idea we're going to get like 5 inches of rain. Oh yeah, crazy. This is nuts. Look at all this. Oh, this is wild. Holy shit, look at this. Hey, thanks, buddy. And then just like that, it's over. If we get any more wild stuff like that, I'll bring it to you. Oh yeah, look at this. This is wild. Check this out. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. There's a Tesla behind me. I guess they're okay, you know, they I don't know how water affects the electric batteries, but I'm gonna have to go down to that bar. It's called the Bar Sports Bar, and have a drink after this one. Look at that rushing out there. Wow, it's rushing. Oh yeah, check this out. Oh man. Look at all this. This right here will wash this road away. Wow. Wild stuff. People are freaking. I don't blame them. It gets treacherous through there. People are backing up. Traffic is stopped. Thanks for watching the Parker channel. Look at that. Oh yeah. We're gonna get the exclusive on this one. Oh, that's the police. I think we get through here. Yeah, good. Wild. Anytime you guys need breaking news, you're wondering what's going on in Parker or Havasu, just tune into the Parker channel and we'll have breaking news. Home of your breaking news. The Parker Keys again. Oh man, these guys, their garages. There's probably water in the garage. Oh man, that sucks. Probably a Ferrari in there. I think I've seen a Lamborghini in at least one of these garages. Don't you love these slow down signs? I'm kidding. Look at all the rocks. Major rocks. Oh my God. Look at this. Wow, this guy's launching. Holy moly. Holy moly. You'll only see this on the Parker channel. coming through. Woo. Look at all these cars. Okay, this is all through the Keys, and people are turning around up here. What the heck? You can see there's just mud all over the roadway through here. Oh, people stalling out their cars. Is the water that deep through there? No way. No way. Are you serious? Are the police turning us around? Looks all right. This is the Circle K in Parker, Arizona. And it's flooded. Some people didn't make it through here in cars. They're flooded out. There's gravel, major gravel all over the road on the Keys. So be careful through the Keys.